Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can use the Clearpay to eBay. So here I will show you some of the possible way on how you can add the Clearpay to your payment method on eBay, and I will show you is it possible to basically pay with a product on eBay using the Clearpay account. So from here, for example, first up, open your browser and make sure that you sign in with your account on eBay. So here on your dashboard, as you can see on your screen, click on the profile name at the top left and basically click on account settings. Now under the account settings here, we have some options like personal info, payment information, and account preferences. So from here, under the payment information, I want to click on this payments. So once you click on this payments, basically here, I want to add the Clearpay as my payment method, right? So if you're going to add here, so click on add payment option. And here you will find some of the options that you can basically use to your eBay. So here there is only one available in my region. This is credit or debit card. So basically you just have to click on the credit or debit card and you just have to enter here the credit or debit card information. So as you can see right now, we don't have any options to add the Clearpay to the payment method. Now, if you're going to the checkout option, for example, if you're going to buy a product on eBay, so for example, this one, and you're going to click on the Buy It Now button, so right from here, and then you will now go to the page as you can see on eBay checkout. Then you should have to select your payment method. We have two options, money order or cash on pickup. So basically, if you're going to select cash on pickup or money order, then you'll basically check out this product. So as you can see, we have no options to add the ClearPay to eBay checkout. So we hope that sooner or later we can add or they will actually add the ClearPay as the payment method on eBay checkout. So yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.